So, but, yeah, I mean, I think our market in general, just like the Northeast, is probably one of the best markets in the country right now of just staying more
Mm,
steep and just still having that, like, slowly increasing,
yeah.
appreciation. Whereas, you see in, like, Florida and the West Coast that, like, they took a little bit of a dump and, like, now it's way more of a buyer's market than a seller's market is just because, like, the appreciation that they got in the last 5 years has been astronomical. I mean, like, look, we got appreciation as well, but, like, not to the
To
but
that
not to the
extent.
extent of, like, those markets, like, the Sun Belt states, but yeah, I mean, like, I'm bullish in our area, like, I think, like, we came out pretty level-headed from, like, what all's went on with, like, when interest rates have, risen to the
Mhm.
that they have, our values stayed strong.
And I can't agree with you more on, this, the Mid-Atlantic, north where we're at, it's just because it's the built environment, because there's not a ton of land, there's the demand is still through the roof. And all the numbers I see is we're still, like less than 50% of pre-COVID inventory. Massive constraint, whereas like the South and these other markets, they had the migration that we were talking about, but they've also had a ton of new development. Just so much new units hitting the market in multifamily and single family, that we haven't experienced this way. So I think you're 100% right. This is a great area to be doing these kinds of deals in, because it's not that hockey stick, type of appreciation. It's more in that steady kind of workhorse, skyrocket, but it also isn't getting that pullback on the values and on the rents.
Real estate wise, I don't think there's gonna be one, honestly. I think it already happened and people just don't realize about it.